to use ChatGPT to analyze Excel data. So I have a balance sheet right here, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to analyze it, get some ratios and some other financial information extracted from this simple balance sheet. So highlight the data, and then right click on copy. Now go back to ChatGPT, and then I want you to put in this prompt, okay? All right, so analyze key financial data from the below. I'm going to paste this. Of course, you can also paste it with the image, but I'm going to remove that. We don't really need that. And then I will go ahead and start to generate. And let's see what ChatGPT gives me. Here we go, guys. As you can see, it is doing some ratios for us. So this is what it has given us, and it is explaining things to us. For example, the total current liabilities represent about 19.6% of the total liabilities. That's good. And it's now showing us in terms of equity. So it says the business has a negative equity, which indicates that the liabilities exceeded the assets, and this is something that is concerning. And also gives you the key observations. If you want something very specific, you can go ahead and prompt it as such. Let me show you. Now with ChatGPT, you can be very specific with what you want. So I'm going to ask it to do some possible financial ratios with the data, and then I want ChatGPT to comment on it. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Wow, this is perfect. I like this. It is giving me the current ratio and the interpretation based on the data I gave it. So it's really that easy and simple, guys.